Effects of doing 100 push-ups as a teenager. According to scientific terms and research, it was found that 100 push-ups can hit a person's body, especially a teenager's body, in a very significant way. It can result into blockage of height, squeezed muscles, shrinking of abs, tearing of chest muscles, pimples on face due to heat generation in body, vision invasion, and even hair loss. Kidding! None of these are true. You may have heard it from people around you or seen it on any random unverified websites. And if you really believe in this, then okay, jokes apart, let me tell you some real facts that I have collected from the verified websites and some practical observations. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work on the triceps and the pectoral muscles and shoulders. When done in proper form, they can strengthen your lower back and core by engaging pulling in the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are really fast and effective exercises for building strength. One of the most underrated benefits of doing push-ups is stretch it provides to the biceps and back muscles. As you lower yourself to the floor, your back muscles effectively get stretched, and as you push yourself starting in position, your biceps obtain a full stretch. This only improves the flexibility and prevent the injuries, but a well-stretched muscles features a strong, solid and attractive appearance. Traditional Indian wrestlers are performing Hindu push-ups for centuries to strengthen their upper body. Bruce Lee also incorporated Hindu push-ups in his training regime as called as dunds. Let me tell you, there are not only one type of traditional push-ups, there are also many variations in push-ups like the Hindu push-ups and many more. And Hindu push-ups was an Indian culture push-ups practiced for centuries. Then it can also help in cardiovascular system, like this gets your heart work harder and pump more blood to the muscle tissues. So technically push-ups get you, your body, your heart function rigorously at same time. This supports your heart health and cut down the stored body fat. So more the energy you put in, the most calories you burn. And if you increase the intensity of the workout, you can lose weight. Researchers suggest that exercises like standard push-ups can quite helpful in keeping the hormonal levels in check. Now, many high-level words may have got above your head like bouncers, and it ain't easy to understand this. So watch this video again to understand this, or otherwise in further I'm going to explain this in a simple language, but not in detail in the conclusion section. Before I do so, allow me to share some practical observations of daily 100 push-ups over a long time. My name is Anukul Ghosh and I took this 100 push-up challenge, which lasted not only for 30 days, 4 months or 6 months, but a complete 1 year without a single day of rest. To be honest, the YouTube thumbnails are all fake. It's not real that a super skinny person becomes a giant beast within 30 days of 100 push-ups. That's not true. That's simply not true. Yes, I admitted that it shows very significant difference, but not like we expected. It gives your body a good posture, body physics gets into a good frame, you will gain strength and core stability, you will look attractive and more confident as you did before, but you will not become certainly a John Cena after doing 100 push-ups. Now it's time for CONCLUSION conclusion. Push-ups are beginner and teenager friendly exercises. Just as sit-ups hits your lower body, push-ups hits your upper body. Not more, not less. The 100 as a digit for repetitions is just perfect. Doesn't matter if you are a girl or a boy or a lady or a man. This exercise is compatible for all age groups and everyone should do it. All in whole, this is safe and should be practiced. Now a simple task for you all is to subscribe to my channel and write a comment that I subscribe. I will personally reply to those comments as soon as possible, and if possible, I am going to give a shout out to my new subscribers' comments in my next video. Till then, have a good day.